In this video, we will walk you through how to commission ABB's CTS time relays. You will learn the essential steps needed to correctly set up these devices. We will cover two main areas: an overview of the CTS family, and the step-by-step configuration of the time relay. The Advanced CTS range is ABB's universal family of electronic timers, offering a wide selection of 22 single-function and 16 multifunction devices. They provide up to 13 timing functions and feature 7 or 10 adjustable time ranges, spanning from 0.05 seconds to 300 hours. Each device is available with either double-cage screw terminals or vibration-resistant push-in terminals. CTS relays use front-facing adjustment dials for configuration. A screwdriver is required for all adjustments. For demonstration purposes, we'll use the CTMFS.21S model, but the same principles apply across the CTS range. The CTMFS.21 provides 10 timing functions, selectable via the function dial. Details for each function can be found in the product manual. If you are working with a single function relay, this setting does not apply. Two elements define the final time delay value: the T-range selector and the time fine adjustment dial. When setting the time delay, always match the colors between the T-range selector and the time scale. Use yellow scale values only when the selected range is yellow, and white values only when the range is white. Start by selecting the appropriate time range using the T-range dial. The printed values such as 3 seconds, 30 seconds, or 300 hours represent the maximum time value of each range. Always choose a range that comfortably includes your required time delay. For best accuracy, select the range whose maximum value is as close as possible to the desired time delay, as the CTS series has an accuracy of plus or minus 6% of the range's end value. It is possible to select a broader time range, but this is not recommended, as the associated tolerance would be larger. For example, for an 8-second setting, the 10-second range ensures far tighter accuracy than the 30-second range. After selecting the time range, use the time dial for fine adjustment. The scale provides white scale values 0.5 to 10, yellow scale values 1.5 to 30. These values correspond directly to the final time only for certain ranges such as 10 seconds, 30 seconds, 10 minutes, 30 minutes, 30 hours. For all other ranges, multiply the selected time on the time scale by the coefficient in front of you. Example 1, required time delay is 80 seconds. Set the T range to 100 seconds, white scale. Select 8 on the white time scale. Multiply, 8 times 10 is equal to 80 seconds. Example 2. Required time delay is 1.5 seconds. Select the 3 seconds range, yellow scale. Choose 15 on the yellow time scale. Multiply, 15 times 0.1 is equal to 1.5 seconds. Thank you for watching.